Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Today we're talking about teak protection tips. If you've invested in these beautiful pieces, you'll want to keep them looking fantastic for years to come. So let's dive into a few essential tips to protect those chic teak treasures. Topping our list of tips is a simple but important one: clean your teak regularly. And it's easier than you might think. Just mix some mild dish soap with warm water and scrub your teak gently with a soft bristled brush. Remember to go with the grain and avoid pressure washers. They're too harsh for teak. And if you're looking at some tough grime, add a splash of white vinegar to your cleaning mix for extra oomph. Now here's where it gets interesting: to seal or not to seal. If you love that natural silvery patina teak develops over time, you can skip the sealer. But if you want to maintain that warm, honey brown color, sealing is the way to go. Start by cleaning your teak furniture, let it dry completely, then brush on a couple thin layers of high-quality teak sealer. If you do it right, you should only need to apply sealer once a year, typically in spring before those April showers hit. Speaking of weather, our third tip is to invest in some quality furniture covers. They'll protect against UV rays, rain, and those pesky bird droppings. Look for covers that are waterproof, UV-resistant, and breathable. Here's a pro tip: elevate your furniture slightly off the ground and keep it away from areas where water might pool. Teak is naturally water-resistant, but prolonged moisture exposure can lead to mold and mildew, and nobody wants that. Now let's talk about teak oil. Contrary to popular belief, it's rarely a good choice for outdoor teak. It's been known to actually promote mildew growth and can cause uneven coloring. Teak oil can be great for some indoor teak furniture, but stick with a high-quality teak sealer for your patio pieces. We've got even more essential teak protection tips in our blog article, so click that link in the description below. Or swing by patioproductions.com to see our great luxury teak collections. Here's to many years of stylish outdoor living.